Hello everyone. Today we will be starting with one of the chapters in English language for the kids of standard 2. The name of the chapter is Verbs and Simple Present Tense. Now children, do you know what verbs are? The definition of verbs are that they are words that state actions which show what someone or something does. Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. This is the definition of verbs. Coming up to the next slide. Now, children, verbs are actions we do. That is, you may see there are 6 pictures. Okay? Now, the first one, mother will cook tasty food. In this first picture, cook is the action word which the mother is doing. So, cook will be a verb. Second, Shyam will dive underwater. So, dive is an action which Shyam is doing. So, it will be a verb. Rohan will run fast. Run is the action which Rohan is doing. So it is a doing word. Now the fourth one, paint. Ram and Shyam will paint the wall. Paint is the action which the two boys are doing, right? So the paint word will be a verb. Both the girls will play in the park. Now, the word play is an action which both the girls are doing, right? They are playing. So, the word play will be the doing verb. So, play will be a verb. Rohit will draw the picture of a scenery. Now, the word draw is an action which Rohit is doing. So, in this sentence, draw will be the verb. Okay? Now, coming up to the next slide. Now, children, let us learn about the action words, that is, verbs. This is Ricky. He is very active. He does a lot of things. Ricky jumps. He plays tennis. Ricky reads a lot. Now, children, here jumps, plays, and reads are words that make actions and are therefore known as action words. Action words are also called verbs. Children, I hope you have understood what verbs actually are. Okay, now coming up to the simple present tense. Now, children, let's look at the following sentences. Raj is very happy. Ankita likes pet animals. Shyam goes to bed early. Now, children, did you notice the verbs is, likes, and goes? They indicate actions happening in the present time. Hence, these verbs refers to simple present tense. Now, verbs are simple present tense talk about actions that happen in the present time regularly. For example, our cat drinks milk. Now, children, here the action word drinks talks about the action that happens regularly. So, this verb is said to be in the simple present tense. Now, simple present tense is also used to talk about all time truths. For example, the sun sets in the west. Now, children, you may observe that this sentence is an all-time truth. So this will never change. So we will use simple present tense in this case. Okay? Coming up to the next slide. Simple present tense is also used to tell about habits or actions that happen regularly. Now, children, you may see the example, the picture below. Here, this example tells us that they have the habit of visiting market on every Sundays. Okay, so we have used simple present tense to tell about the regular habit. Now, children, I hope you have understood the chapter verbs and simple present tense properly. Thank you.